Need a quick and effective home upgrade? Give us a call at 1-866-992-1816. Ever wondered how to give your home a facelift, increase its value, or enhance its security? The answer might surprise you. A new garage door could be exactly what you need. Today, we're exploring the transformative power of garage doors. Far from being purely functional, a garage door can make a profound style statement, significantly boosting your home's curb appeal. Why does a good garage door matter, you might ask? It's often one of the first things people see when they look at your home. A sleek, thoughtfully chosen garage door can leave a lasting impression, a testament to your attention to detail and the pride you take in your home. When you decide to choose a new garage door, you'll find yourself faced with a wealth of options. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of classic wooden designs or the cutting-edge appeal of modern high-tech options complete with smart features, there's a garage door out there for every taste and budget. And the cherry on top? The right door can even improve your home's energy efficiency, helping maintain a comfortable temperature in your garage all year round. But choosing your ideal garage door is just the first step. To ensure it not only looks great but also functions flawlessly for years to come, professional installation is crucial. This is where our expertise shines. If you're ready to transform your home with a new garage door, don't leave it to chance. Reach out to us on 1-866-992-1816 and talk to one of our expert garage door installation technicians. We're here to guide you through every step of the process, from selection to installation, delivering a seamless experience and stunning results. So don't wait. Boost your home's aesthetics, feel, and security with a brand new garage door. Remember, a simple call to 1-866-992-1816 can set you on the path to a home transformation you'll adore. Thanks for tuning in, and we eagerly await the opportunity to help you bring your vision to life. And before we wrap up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. If you need further assistance or have any inquiries, feel free to reach us at 1-866-992-1816. Until next time.